Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to make a home gym rubber flooring. So this is a common question that I was thinking about when it came to building my home gym that you see right over here. And so the type of flooring that I went with were these horse stall mats that you see right over here. So the surface area of these horse stall mats, they are each 3 by 4 feet. So the total surface area that I have being shown here is around 8 by 9 feet. Now I initially had these cheap rubber flooring mats that you see right over here. I wouldn't recommend these just because they're flimsy, they move around, and what you need is something that's sturdy and it actually sticks to the ground and it doesn't move. So that's why I went with these horse stall mats. Initially, I bought them from Tractor Supply and Company. So just search if you see one, if you see that you have one in your local area. Now, for the first about 1 to 2 weeks, they had like a distinct smell, but over time, the smell did go away. So if you're wondering what type of flooring you should be getting for your home gym, these are great, especially when it comes to placing them on cement in your basement or in your garage. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're interested to see any of my equipment, I'll also leave these links down below as well. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.